Hey beauties, it's Amanda here. Today I want to demonstrate how I like to perform a lash bath using our Lash Detox. First, I put 2 to 3 pumps of the Lash Detox into the lid. This makes for easy cleanup of the product. Then I'll use a combo brush to scoop the detox out and to clean my client's lashes. I'll start by cleansing the lashes, then I'll do the under eye and the eyelid. I tend to keep a tissue or paper towel nearby to wipe the excessive product on the brush off. I do a lash bath as a complimentary service before every set. It's an extra step to ensure your client's lashes are free of makeup and oil before application. Since our Lash Detox is a lightweight foaming cleanser, it's extremely easy for the lash artist and client to use. Once I'm done performing the lash bath, I like to pat the eye area dry with a tissue. You can also use a fan to dry the eye area. Then brush those pretty girlies out and prep for the rest of the service. Be sure to rinse and sanitize the lid before your next lash bath. Lash Detox is also an excellent take-home product for your client so they can perform a super quick lash bath at home. They'll just follow the exact same steps I demonstrated here. It will help to increase their retention and to keep their natural lashes healthy. We love a client who has great aftercare, and the best way to achieve that is to show them how. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Bella tips and tricks.